What is sleep paralysis and why is enough sleep important? Sleep paralysis. It's real, it's horrible. Many people encounter sleep paralysis while asleep, which makes them frightened and worried, but they don't know what actually it is. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, completely unable to move, with a strange pressure on your chest? Maybe you even felt a very unrealistic thing like someone or something was in the room with you. If you experienced all this, you might have suffered from sleep paralysis. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Dr. Amisha. In my today's video, I will discuss what sleep paralysis is, why it happens, and why you should get enough sleep. I mean, how is sleep linked to sleep paralysis? So, let's begin the video. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon below for more health related videos. Okay, so now let's first talk about sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis occurs when you wake up or fall asleep and find yourself temporarily unable to move or speak because your body is still in the sleep state. During this time, you may also experience hallucinations or a sensation of a presence around you. It usually lasts for a few seconds to a couple of minutes. While it can be terrifying, but don't worry, it is actually harmless. However, understanding why you experience this is important to determine whether it is normal or if there is a science behind it. Alright, let's understand why this phenomena happens. See, your body completes majorly 4 to 6 sleep cycles in the night, and this is into 4 stages. The first 3 sleep stages are the non-rapid eye stages, and the fourth and last is rapid eye movement. In the first 2 stages, your body experiences light sleep, and they're usually for a short time. During the third stage, your body undergoes deep sleep when certain crucial body functions are carried out like repair, recovery, and growth of the tissues. The fourth sleep stage is your vivid dream stage when your eyes move rapidly while you dream. However, in the fourth stage, your brain activity remains similar to your awakened stage. Your brain wakes up, but your body remains in a paralyzed state to prevent you from acting out of your dreams. Some people report experiencing an out-of-body sensation, whereas some say that they feel hallucinations and a sense of fear or panic. But no worries, it's not something supernatural or some kind of psychic thing that may bind you to superstitious beliefs, but there is a science behind it. Let's know what turns your sleep into sleep paralysis. Well, the exact cause of sleep paralysis is not fully understood. However, several factors may allow you to experience this. Let's discuss. Your sleep is as important as other crucial aspects of your life. Sleep is important for several psychological and physiological functions, from maintaining good mental health to overall immunity. Lack of sleep may alter neurological functions, leading to depression, memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and sleep paralysis. So, sleep paralysis may occur if you are not getting enough sleep. You may experience sleep paralysis if you are not up to your regular sleep schedule, working late shifts, staying up all night, or constantly changing sleep patterns can confuse your body's internal clock. If you are under stress or anxiety for a long time, then you may be at a risk of experiencing sleep paralysis, as stress or anxiety may disrupt your sleep cycles, causing loss of overall health. If you are a person who sleeps on your back during office lunch or while traveling, then you are likely to experience sleep paralysis episode. The last one is very common. Several sleep disorders such as insomnia, when you have trouble falling asleep, narcolepsy, when you feel very sleepy during the day and fall asleep suddenly, or sleep apnea. It occurs when your breathing repeatedly stops and starts while you are asleep and can cause sleep paralysis. Well, I hope you now have clarity on how your sleep is linked to sleep paralysis. Now, I guide you on why your sleep is so important for you. If you ignore getting a good sleep, you are losing something big in your life. Good sleep improves your cognitive functions. When you sleep, your brain processes information, strengthens memories, and improves focus. A sleep of enough hours strengthens your immune system and overall health. Poor sleep can cause stress, anxiety, and mood instability, whereas a sleep full hours improves your psychological and emotional well-being. Good sleep supports better heart health and keeps blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke away from you. Well, I have explained to you every important part of the sleep paralysis. If you are afraid of any kind of brain disorder, then don't worry. Homeopathy has an answer to all your neurological disorders and complicated brain disorders like paralysis and Parkinson's. It is natural and holistic and relieves your condition without side effects. Bharat Homeopathy has a strong record of positive patient feedbacks who have recovered from neurological disorders with our personalized homeopathic treatment. If you want to know anything related to paralysis or paralysis treatment, you can call us and talk to us today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.